up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that will interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team so you can be like us over here getting your shmoney together, baby. Okay, as you can tell from the title of the video, Queens and Kings, we are going to be doing our September 2022 financial goal. Hold on, that's not right. I already pre-wrote out my goals, so I'm just going to pull them up. As you guys know, I am newly transitioning over to solely digital. I still have a small paper planner, which is the planner that I usually keep in my purse. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Let's see. Okay, y'all could kind of see it. Let's make it big like that. Let me see. Okay, so we can see. So first, we're going to tap on my financial goals for September 2022. My goals have been all over the place since last year when I started budgeting last winter. So I'm approaching my first full year of actually being a budgeter. And let me just tell you guys that are new or beginners, it's not easy. But one thing I will say is do not give up and do not try to compare yourself with someone else. Your goals is your goals. Your life is your life. No two budgets are going to look exactly alike. You can look at other budgeters and you can get ideas. And it's pretty much like trial and error. You try something, you tweak things. Something may work this month, something may not work that month. And just don't put too much pressure on yourself. That's literally like the best advice that I could give. My first goal is to pay all bills on time. I always pay my bills actually before the actual due date or on the actual due date. My second goal is to increase my Etsy sales. So I really want to this month put in more effort with my Etsy shop. I also want to braid between 2 and 4 heads this month that I've been literally braiding for like the last 25 years. And braiding is not something that I love, but it's something that I'm very good at and it's very profitable. I also want to finish reading My Money My Way by Kimiko Love. I did start reading that book. If you guys do not know The Budget Mom or you're not familiar with The Budget Mom, please go run over to her YouTube channel and check her out. She is love, okay? Her name is literally Kimiko Love. I also plan to take no days off at work this month. I would like to help fund my son Jaden's 17th birthday. I've already put in the order for his cupcakes. Whatever his desire is, I'm probably going to pay 75% and allow him to pay the other 25% because he is working, and I do want to, encourage him to be independent and also responsible. You can't splurge all your money. If there's something that you want, you have to work for it. You have to budget for it. You have to be mindful of the things that you want and need, and you can budget it into your life. So some people may look at me and be like, oh, you're only gonna fund 75% of his birthday, but at the end of the day, I'm teaching my son how to be independent. I'm showing my son that I'm here for you, but I'm not going to do 100% everything for you. And he actually agrees with my decision and he likes it. So that's what we're going to roll with. I also want to add $165 this month towards my buffer. I am thinking about a starting goal of $500 for my buffer. I think I've already almost save this amount, but starting from the 1st of September to the end of September, I want to save $165. And I also want to add $150 to my Christmas fund. Now, if you guys hear my son, Lord Chocolate, because he told me not to call him Trance or Baby Rasta no more. He told me to call him Chocolate. If y'all hear Chocolate in the background screaming, it's nothing wrong with him. He just has this thing where he just likes to scream and he just likes to yell like somebody's killing him, and literally nobody's doing anything to him. Okay, next, my no spend goals for the month. So I chose to do 10 no spend days for the entire month. So it doesn't have to be in a particular order, but I know that I want at least 10 no spend days for the entire month. My savings goals for the month is I would like to save for my emergency fund. I would like to save for Christmas. I would like to save for the tickets. I'm also saving for Africa, my kids, myself, and my savings account. Now, back to tickets. I did today really sat down and I realized that I don't owe as many tickets as I thought I did. I literally paid most of what I owed earlier this year. I thought I still owed about $1,200 worth of tickets, but when I actually looked at it, it's around about $550 as far as tickets, and I think I may owe $300 for flag fees, so for not paying the tickets or whatever. So a lot of the penalties that was on those tickets had dropped off due to COVID. Thank goodness to COVID. I know COVID ain't been the best to some, but COVID been all right to me. I ain't caught it yet, and my bills. I'm able to get discounts on certain bills. They're waiving like fees and everything like that. So everything happens for a reason. Some that might rub some people the wrong way, but hey, I can't live my life based on how other people feel. You know what I'm saying? So my debt payoff goals this month is going to be to continue to pay off my Capital One credit card, call and try to settle with AT&T, and set up payments towards my tolls, which the toll payments are one of those payments that I told you that they literally had ridiculous penalties, like $200 on top of what the actual fee was. So that dropped off, and I will be paying all of the tolls in full this Friday when I get paid. The monthly challenge is I would like to start the low income savings challenge by Oshi Budgets, the savings challenge book that I showed you guys in a previous video. And yeah, those are basically my goals for September. I try to set goals that are achievable, and I try not to set goals that would be frustrating or that are not reasonable as far as my income. Yes, my income has increased, but I am still a low income. Hold up. I still have a low income, so I don't try to do anything that's too hard for me to achieve. We are going to be doing a cash stuffing for September 5th pay. I actually got paid today on the 6th because yesterday was a holiday for us. So we are cash stuffing $210. Let's count the money to just make sure we have everything. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195, 200, 205, 206, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $210, baby. And let's get it. Let's go. I really feel like I've been, knocking down these goals that I've been putting out for myself. Ever since I started working, I have been really, really dedicated to just paying off things that need to be paid off. I really want a new wallet, but I cannot afford that right now. So I'm just working with what I got, making it do what it do, baby. Okay, so starting off with myself, as always, let's start with what's left over. We have $15 left over from earlier this week. We are actually adding $10. So that's going to be 10, 20. So we now have $25 in Queen, which I really feel like I'm going to play it by ear, whether I want to roll over money or not. And I hope you guys like these. Are actually new envelopes. They may look very similar to the ones I had before because I was really in love with the design, but these are new. I tweaked it just a little bit, but these are new envelopes. My daughter Mackenzie is also getting $10. Her envelope is empty. So I already know what Mackenzie probably wants to spend her money on Roblox, or whatever. Comment below if any of your children play Roblox, and they be wanting Robux, okay? So Trance is also getting $10 because I can't do something for one of my babies and not do it for the other one. And he also plays Roblox and he wants Robux too. So it's $10 for Trance, a little baby. Gasolina, we are going to be adding $70. We do have money still in here. I was supposed to get gas today, but I was just so tired after work that I did not get any gas. So we are going to, actually, I saw Taylor Budgetz do this, and she takes her $1 bills out and add them to the $1 savings challenge. So I'm going to take those ones out, because I do, even though I know it's late in the year and I had to like stop and start my $1 savings challenge, you know, due to my income being low. But now that I do have a job, I feel like I can start it back, and I think I will just roll it over until next year, and I won't like count it because it's such a short period from now until the end of the year. But we'll figure all of that out. We're adding $70, so that's a 50 and a 20. So that's a 50 and a 20 we're adding to this. So now we have 50, 70, 90. We have $100 in gas, and I really think that $100 is a good amount to get us through. I really feel like $100 is enough to get us through 2 weeks, because I won't get paid again until the 22nd. Yes, Trance, do you see me sitting right here?
It's done. I am.
Okay, can you tell me that later, Chocolate Boy? Tell me that later, Chocolate Boy. You messing me up. Fast food and snacks. We are not putting anything in fast food and snacks. Sis feel like she gained like 4 or 5 pounds back, so no, we can't do that. Business, we are going to add $10. We already have $10, so we'll add another 10, which will give us $20. And this is going to get transferred over to the business checking account that I have. Trans, can you please go, please? You got video games going on in the background I can't hear. Chocolate, I'm asking you to go. Stop jumping on my couch, please. Go play with Kenzie. Shut the door. I'm asking you nicely to please go. Alright, y'all, he can stay because he throwing me off. He just like, I don't want to make a mistake. Okay, so for household, we're adding $15. Get out the closet. Can you please get out of my closet? Go out the room and shut the door. Shut the door. Sorry about that, y'all. I know some people like to record with their kids around, but I can't concentrate, and I ain't trying to make a mistake. He can come back in here and try to sneak them Oreos later on. So household, we're adding 15. So we got 10 and we got a 5. So we're doing 15 for household. Self-care is self-care, and I decided to do my self-care envelope as a self-care and a miscellaneous envelope, because I didn't make another miscellaneous envelope, and I just felt like I had too many envelopes. So I condensed miscellaneous and self-care. So we're going to add the 10 that we would add into self-care, and then 5 that I normally add into miscellaneous. And so we're going to add that to self-care, and we already have $5 in self-care. So now we have 10, 15, we have $20 in self-care / miscellaneous. And we are going to put $5 in the blessed envelope. I feel truly blessed to be able to help other people when they are less fortunate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why instead of this saying blessings, it says blessed, because we blessed, baby. Okay, period. And that is it for the variables. Next, we are going to go to we are going to go to Queen Budget's binder, and in this binder we have the envelope for my buffer, and we also have envelopes for my bills, but I have not started stuffing for my bills as of yet, but I am trying to build this buffer up. So let's see, we have $68 so far. You are back, little buddy. Okay. Yes.
Mackenzie hit my head.
Okay, Mackenzie hit your head. It was an accident. Okay, she's sorry. Go tell her. Say, tell me sorry, sister. Okay, so we added $20, 25. So we added 20, and then we're also going to add a 5. to the buffer, baby. How much we got now? 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Now, I'm not going to take the $1 from the buffer because the buffer is like, we need to build that up, okay? So, we add $25 to the buffer. And then we are also going to add to the emergency. So we can go to the high priority binder to our emergency envelope. And we will be adding, how much are we adding to it? We are adding $10. So we are adding a $10 bill. Count with me. We got 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 280, 285, 290, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299. We got $299, baby. We got $299. We got that $299. And then Christmas is getting $20. So we're going to do add 20 to Christmas. We're going to add 20 to Christmas because Christmas is right. Christmas, not Christmas. Christmas is right around the corner. 150, 200, 250, 300, 320, 340, 360, 365, baby. 365, baby. And then we are going to also add to our tickets and fees because we about to get this out the way, okay? And I think I actually have enough to pay 2 tickets that are, and I think I may just go ahead and take this money, transfer it into my bank account and make the 2 payments that I can and then just start back over from zero. But the good thing about it is that I'm actually paying the tickets off, so that's dope. So we're going to add this last $10 to tickets and fees, and now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81. Wait a minute, that's how much we had last time. Hold on. Oh, it's money in here. Y'all, I'm tripping. Hold on, okay. It was still $40 in it. So we got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120, 121. So we got $122. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to take this $2 and put it in the savings challenge. So we got 120, okay? I mean, yeah, put it in $1 savings challenges because the only $1 I'm really going to save is like if it's something in the buffer. But all the rest of them, we need to start the $1 savings challenge. Yeah, guys, so this actually sums up my video. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a pink heart emoji in the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, baby, I don't know what you are waiting for. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification so you could be like us over here getting our money together, baby.